Welcome to our YouTube video on how to get into clinical psychology PhD programs. If you're passionate about pursuing a career in clinical psychology and obtaining a PhD, this video is for you. We will guide you through the process step by step, providing you with valuable insights and tips along the way. Let's get started. Step 1. Build a strong academic foundation. Clinical psychology PhD programs are highly competitive, so it's essential to excel academically. Focus on obtaining a bachelor's degree in psychology or a related field and maintain a high GPA. Take challenging courses, particularly in areas such as research methods, statistics, and abnormal psychology. Step 2. Gain research experience. Research is a significant component of clinical psychology PhD programs. Seek opportunities to work as a research assistant in a psychology lab or collaborate with faculty members on research projects. This experience will showcase your ability to contribute to the field and demonstrate your research skills. Step 3. Obtain clinical experience. Clinical psychology programs highly value hands-on experience in a clinical setting. Consider volunteering or working in mental health facilities, counseling centers, or community organizations. This exposure will provide you with first-hand knowledge of the field and demonstrate your commitment to helping others. Step 4. Secure strong recommendation letters. Develop meaningful relationships with professors, supervisors, or mentors who can write insightful recommendation letters on your behalf. Choose individuals who can speak to your academic abilities, research experience, clinical skills, and personal qualities that make you a strong candidate for clinical psychology PhD programs. Step 5. Craft a compelling personal statement. Your personal statement is your opportunity to stand out from the competition and showcase your passion for clinical psychology. Clearly articulate your research interests, career goals, and experiences that have shaped your decision to pursue a PhD in clinical psychology. Be genuine, concise, and highlight how your background aligns with the program's objectives. Step 6. Prepare for standardized tests. Most clinical psychology PhD programs require the GRE, Graduate Record Examination. Familiarize yourself with the exam format, study diligently, and consider enrolling in test preparation courses or using study materials to maximize your chances of achieving a competitive score. Step 7. Create a well-rounded application. Clinical psychology PhD programs typically consider various aspects of an applicant's profile. Alongside academic achievements, research experience, clinical exposure, recommendation letters, and personal statements, consider including relevant extracurricular activities, leadership roles, and any additional skills or certifications that strengthen your application. Step 8. Network and connect with professionals in the field. Attend conferences, workshops, or psychology-related events where you can interact with faculty members, current students, and practicing psychologists. Networking provides valuable opportunities to learn more about different programs, gain insights, and potentially establish connections that may benefit your application. Step 9. Research potential programs thoroughly. Each clinical psychology PhD program has its own unique focus, faculty expertise, and requirements. Carefully review program websites, faculty profiles, and course offerings to ensure they align with your research interests and career goals. Customize your application materials to reflect your fit with each specific program. Step 10. Submit your applications on time. Pay close attention to application deadlines, as they vary from program to program. Give yourself ample time to complete all the required materials, proofread your application thoroughly, and ensure that everything is submitted before the deadline. And that brings us to the end of our video on how to get into clinical psychology PhD programs. Remember, the process requires dedication, hard work, and careful preparation. Stay focused, seek guidance from mentors, and believe in your abilities. Best of luck on your journey to becoming a clinical psychologist.